Heal while you sleep, unlocking the power of nighttime recovery. Sleep is often seen as a time of rest, but in reality, it is a period of intense healing and regeneration for the body and mind. During deep sleep, the body undergoes essential repair processes that restore energy, strengthen the immune system, and promote overall well-being. Understanding how sleep facilitates healing can help you maximize its benefits for optimal health. The science behind healing during sleep. The body follows a natural circadian rhythm, which governs the sleep-wake cycle. When you sleep, several key biological processes take place: cellular repair and growth. The body produces growth hormones, which stimulate tissue growth, muscle repair, and cell regeneration. Immune system boost. Sleep strengthens the immune response, helping the body fight off infections and reduce inflammation. Brain detoxification. The glymphatic system in the brain removes waste and toxins accumulated throughout the day, improving cognitive function. Hormonal balance. Sleep regulates hormones such as cortisol, stress hormone, melatonin, sleep hormone, and insulin, promoting metabolic health. Stages of sleep and their healing effects. Sleep occurs in cycles, each consisting of different stages that contribute to healing. Stage 1 and 2. Light sleep. The body relaxes and the heart rate slows. This stage sets the foundation for deeper rest. Stage 3 and 4. Deep sleep, the most critical phase for physical recovery. Growth hormone is released and cells undergo intense repair. REM sleep, rapid eye movement, important for brain health, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. The brain processes emotions and stress, promoting mental well-being. 3. How sleep heals specific aspects of health. A. Muscle and tissue repair. Athletes and physically active individuals rely on deep sleep for muscle recovery. Growth hormone production peaks during deep sleep, helping the body repair injuries and build stronger muscles. B. Skin regeneration and anti-aging. During sleep, the skin produces collagen, reducing wrinkles and improving elasticity. Increased blood flow delivers nutrients that repair damaged cells, giving the skin a healthy glow. C. Brain function and mental health. A well-rested brain improves memory, focus, and problem-solving abilities. Sleep also reduces stress hormones, lowering the risk of anxiety and depression. D. Immune system strengthening. A full night's sleep enhances white blood cell production, which fights infections and reduces inflammation. Sleep deprivation weakens the immune system, making the body more susceptible to illnesses. Tips to maximize healing while you sleep. To enhance the body's natural healing process, consider these sleep-boosting strategies. Follow a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily to regulate your circadian rhythm. Create a restful environment. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool to promote deeper sleep. Avoid screens before bed. Blue light from devices disrupts melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Practice relaxation techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and gentle stretching can help prepare your body for sleep. Eat a light, nutritious dinner. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine before bed to prevent sleep disturbances. 5. The connection between sleep and longevity. Studies show that individuals who get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night tend to live longer and have a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Sleep is one of the most powerful healing tools available to us. By prioritizing quality rest, you can enhance physical recovery, boost mental health, and strengthen your immune system. Make sleep a priority in your daily routine and allow your body to heal while you sleep for a healthier, more vibrant life.